Hi guys, welcome back. So once again I've been sent something in the post and it's a bit different today. It's not seeds or anything like that. This is from Steve at Digwell Greenfingers again, and he has been kind enough to send me some Supersoil to try out in the garden. It's a new product. It's 100% organic natural fertiliser. All it is microbes that suck out the nitrogen from the air and replace it back into the soil. And you don't need much of this stuff. 1 kilo is equivalent to spreading 20 tons of organic compost over your plot, and 1 gram should cover up to 40 square meters. So only need a gram. So I'll get a gram of this weighed out, mix it in with a litre of rainwater, I think, yeah, a litre of rainwater, and spray it evenly over the beds. There's no special nozzle needed for this, these fit through them, no problem. So we'll get a gram of this weighed up, get it mixed up, and go and get spraying in the garden. Right, so Steve had also left me a little note with it. And he's also written on the bag, messy stuff. So I'm guessing this stuff's quite messy. So we've got scales here, and a small piece of card. Tear that off. Just make that, see the dust in the bottom there. That is about a gram there. Now, I don't think you can overdo it with this stuff, but there's still a couple of grams left in there. Not sure if it lasts or keeps, but right, so that's that weighed up. Turn that off. And there we go, that's 1,000 ml, that's a litre. Doesn't look like much. And then just pour that in there. But you can instantly see that's gone black. Plugged up. And we'll go and get this sprayed all over the garden. You only need a tiny covering over the whole lot, as you can imagine. That needs to cover 40 square metres, so you don't need a lot. And one of the good things about this is it doesn't matter if the bed's all planted up or if it's an empty bed like this one behind me. It doesn't make any difference to the plants at all. And just give it a light spraying. And you only need such a little amount because these microbes double every hour and continue to grow. So once you put these in there, they're in there for life. And you should be able to notice a difference within 30 days. and I'm also going to spray some in both compost bins. And that should work in there as well. So get these beds done, and so what I'm going to do is this one that I'm using as a cold frame, I'm not going to spray because all the compost is covered with cardboard and I've added a load of feed into that, so I'm not going to spray this one, but I will spray this one. And so what I plan to do is fill them both, but have them mirror imaged, same plants in each. But this one will have the Supersoil in, and that one will just have my own feeds in that one. So they should be quite interesting to watch. Right then guys, I'm going to get the rest of the garden done and we'll leave it at that. So thank you very much, Steve, and I'll let you know how this gets on. Right then guys, so that's that done. I've sprayed that over all the beds and in all the pots and in the polytunnel. So hopefully that works. So once again, I'd just like to say thank you very much to Steve over at Digwell Greenfingers. Please head on over to his site and check it out if you can. Link will be in the description and in the comments as always. Right guys, so thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Bye for now.